From here is 200 feet. This is 32. So, ang
Resident
they
use
want
niya.
2.6.
Ano siya? Resto? Ano siya?
It's cabinet.
Pwede yata mabuksan nila. So, one car lang po.
Parang you can always yun ang allowed.
So, back to, ito yung
We have two options. One is to just to rent the place, and the other one is good for Article 28. Kasi medyo malaki ang babigat dito. I'll show you guys.
yeah, so this is the facility that is planned to have an adult healthcare facility, adult daycare. Well, we know it's wheelchair accessible.
Kaya nga ito kailangan din ng construction cost.
Malaki pa.
Oh, malaki.
Ito yung sinabi ko na i-anticipate at 250